Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a wonderful letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter W. W is the 23rd letter of the alphabet, and it starts some wonderful words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet W. A walrus is a large, marine animal that lives in the Arctic. It has a big, bulky body covered with thick, brown skin and blubber to keep it warm. Walruses have long, white tusks that they use to dig in the sand and ice for food. They also use their tusks to pull themselves out of the water and onto ice. Walruses have flipper-like fins that help them swim fast in the ocean. They love to live in groups, called herds, and often sunbathe on ice floes. Walruses are interesting animals because of their size and tusks. A whale is a huge, sea-dwelling animal that lives in oceans around the world. Whales come in different sizes, from the tiny dwarf sperm whale to the enormous blue whale, which is the biggest animal on Earth. They have smooth, streamlined bodies that help them swim quickly through the water. Whales breathe air, so they need to come to the surface of the ocean to take a big breath. They use their flippers to steer and their tails to propel themselves. Whales are known for their beautiful songs and for their friendly, social behavior with other whales. A wolf is a wild animal that lives in forests, mountains, and tundras. Wolves have thick fur that keeps them warm in cold weather. They are known for their sharp teeth and strong jaws, which help them catch food. Wolves are very smart and live in groups called packs. Each pack has a leader, and they work together to find food and protect each other. Wolves howl to communicate with their pack members and to mark their territory. They are closely related to dogs and can be very playful and energetic. A wombat is a cute, furry animal that lives in Australia. Wombats are marsupials, which means they carry their babies in a pouch. They have strong, short legs and big feet, perfect for digging. Wombats make burrows underground where they sleep and stay safe from predators. They have a thick, round body and a short, stubby tail. Wombats eat plants, like grasses and leaves, and they are usually active at night. They are known for their unique cube-shaped poop, which helps mark their territory. Wombats are gentle and spend a lot of time resting in their cozy burrows. A washing machine is a big, useful appliance in your home that helps clean your clothes. It looks like a big box with a round door on the front or top. You put dirty clothes inside, add soap, and then close the door. When you turn it on, the washing machine fills with water and spins the clothes around to remove dirt and stains. After a while, it drains the water, and your clothes are clean and ready to dry. Washing machines come in different sizes and colors, and they save a lot of time compared to washing clothes by hand. A wardrobe is a big piece of furniture where you keep your clothes. It looks like a tall, wooden box with doors. Inside, there are shelves and a hanging bar where you can put shirts, pants, and jackets. Some wardrobes also have drawers for smaller items like socks and underwear. When you open the doors, you can see all your clothes neatly organized. It's like a special home for your clothes to stay tidy and easy to find. Wardrobes come in different sizes and styles, and they help keep your room looking neat and clean. A whisk is a kitchen tool used for mixing and beating ingredients. It has a long handle and a set of thin, metal wires that are shaped like a balloon. When you use a whisk, you move it in a fast, circular motion. This helps blend ingredients together smoothly, like when you are making a cake or scrambled eggs. The whisk is perfect for stirring liquids or adding air to mix, making everything light and fluffy. It's a handy tool that helps you make delicious recipes and is easy to use for cooking and baking. A whiteboard is a smooth, shiny board that people use to write or draw on. It's often found in classrooms and offices. You write on it with special markers that can be wiped off easily with a cloth or eraser. Whiteboards come in different sizes and are usually mounted on a wall or placed on a stand. They help teachers explain lessons and are great for making colorful drawings or notes. If you make a mistake, you can simply erase it and start over. Whiteboards are very useful and fun to use for learning and sharing ideas. A window is an opening in a wall of a house or building, covered with glass. It lets light into a room and lets you see outside. Windows can open and close so you can get fresh air or let in a breeze. They come in different shapes and sizes. When it's sunny, windows let sunlight in, making rooms bright and warm. In cold or rainy weather, windows help keep the weather out. You can see trees, cars, and people through the window, and sometimes you can open it to hear birds or feel the wind. Windows are important for a cozy home. A waterfall is a beautiful natural feature where water flows over the edge of a cliff or rock. It starts high up, often from a river or stream, and falls down into a pool or river below. As the water drops, it makes a splash and creates a mist. Waterfalls can be big or small and are often surrounded by trees and rocks. The sound of the water falling can be very soothing and relaxing. Waterfalls are like nature's way of making a spectacular show with water, and they are often visited by people who enjoy their beauty. Waffles are a tasty breakfast food that looks like a grid with little squares. They are made from a batter of flour, eggs, milk, and sometimes sugar. The batter is poured into a special waffle iron, which cooks it and makes it crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Waffles can be eaten with many toppings like syrup, fruit, or whipped cream. They are often served with butter, and they taste sweet and delicious. You might enjoy waffles for breakfast or even as a fun treat any time of the day. Walnuts are a type of nut that is brown and has a hard shell. Inside, there is a yummy, wrinkly piece of nut that you can eat. Walnuts are often used in cooking and baking because they taste great and add a crunchy texture. They are healthy for you and give you energy. Walnuts grow on trees and look like little brains because of their shape and folds. You can eat them as a snack or put them in cookies, cakes, and salads. They are a tasty and nutritious treat that can be enjoyed in many ways. Watermelon is a big, round fruit that is green on the outside and red inside. It has black seeds and is very juicy and sweet. People love to eat watermelon, especially on hot summer days, because it helps keep them cool and hydrated. It is usually cut into slices or cubes and can be enjoyed at picnics, parties, or just as a tasty snack. Watermelon is also good for you because it has lots of water and vitamins. It's a fun fruit to eat, and its bright color makes it look really appealing. White chocolate is a sweet treat made from cocoa butter, milk, and sugar. Unlike dark chocolate, it doesn't have cocoa solids, so it's a creamy, light color. White chocolate is smooth and melts easily in your mouth, making it a favorite for many people. You can find it in bars, chips, or as a topping on cakes and cookies. It's often used in baking to add a rich, sweet flavor. Even though it doesn't have the cocoa taste of regular chocolate, it's still delicious and loved by many. Wheat bread is a type of bread made from wheat flour. It's usually brown or tan in color because it uses whole wheat grains. Wheat bread is often considered healthier than white bread because it contains more nutrients and fiber. It's soft on the inside and has a slightly nutty taste. You can use wheat bread to make sandwiches, toast, or even as a side with your meals. It's a great choice for a tasty and nutritious option at breakfast or lunch. Wood is a strong and natural material that comes from trees. It's used to build many things, like furniture, houses, and toys. Wood has different colors and textures, depending on the type of tree it comes from. It's warm and smooth to touch, and it can be painted or polished. Wood is special because it grows on trees and is used to make many things we see every day. From the chairs you sit on to the pencils you write with, wood is an important part of our world. A waistcoat is a special piece of clothing that you wear over a shirt. It has no sleeves and usually buttons up the front. People often wear waistcoats with suits or formal outfits. It's like a vest, and it helps make the outfit look more fancy and neat. Waistcoats can be different colors and patterns, like stripes or checks. They are often worn for special occasions like weddings or parties. A waistcoat is like a nice jacket but without sleeves, and it helps make you look smart and stylish. A watch is a small, helpful tool that you wear on your wrist. It tells you what time it is, so you know when it's time to do things like eat, play, or go to bed. A watch usually has a round face with numbers and hands that move around to show the hours and minutes. Some watches also have extra features, like telling the date or setting alarms. You can choose a watch with different colors and designs to match your style. It's like having a tiny clock with you all the time. A wheelchair is a special chair with wheels that helps people move around if they have trouble walking. It has big wheels that you can push with your hands or sometimes use a motor to move. The wheelchair has a comfortable seat and armrests to help you stay safe and cozy. It can go forward, backward, and turn around, making it easier for people to get around places like their homes or schools. It's a helpful tool for people who need a little extra help to stay active and explore the world. Water is a clear, liquid drink that we need to stay healthy. It's all around us in lakes, rivers, and oceans. You can drink it from a glass, or find it in many foods. Water helps us stay hydrated and keeps our bodies working properly. It's also used for playing, like swimming in a pool or splashing in the rain. Water comes from the sky as rain and goes into the ground to fill up lakes and rivers. It's very important for all living things, and it's fun to play with too. A wallet is a small, flat case that people use to keep their money, cards, and sometimes photos. It helps organize things like credit cards, ID cards, and coins so they don't get lost. Wallets are usually made of leather or fabric and come in different colors and sizes. People keep their wallets in their pockets or bags so they can easily take them out when they need to pay for things or show their ID. Wallets help keep everything tidy and in one place, making it easier to carry important items with you. Wine is a drink made from grapes. When grapes are squished and mixed, they can turn into a special drink called wine. Wine comes in different colors, like red, white, and pink. It's often enjoyed by grown-ups during special meals or celebrations. However, wine is not for kids because it has alcohol, which can make people feel dizzy or sick. For kids, it's best to stick to juice or water. Wine is just one of many drinks that people can choose from, and it's important for everyone to make safe choices.